Hey, Mistake to Master fam. Back with another video. 6 emotional mistakes guys make in relationships and how to fix them. I've made every one. Lost great girls, stayed stuck. But fixes built my emotional core. Real talk, maturity isn't weakness. It's power for lasting bonds. No blame, no games, just growth. If relationships frustrate you, comment your biggest mistake. Let's fix them. Mistake 1. Mistake first. Ignoring self-improvement. You show up half empty. Guys enter relationships sloppy, insecure. I did. Skip gym, baggy clothes, poor hygiene. She felt your lack, resentment brewed. Fix, soul-level self-improvement. Confidence first. Daily workouts build inner strength. Hygiene ritual. Shower, groom, fresh scent. Style upgrade, fitted basics. Body language. Open, tall posture. My story. Glow up mid-relationship saved it. She saw effort. Respect grew mutual. Do it for you. Attraction follows. Mistake 2. Mistake second. Weak boundaries. People-pleasing kills respect. I said yes to everything. No boundaries. Became doormat. She lost attraction. Loneliness inside relationship. Fix, firm, respectful boundaries. Mindset. My needs matter too. Say can't tonight, but let's plan tomorrow. Enforce kindly. I set date nights sacred. Reignited spark. Mutual respect thrives when both protected. Practice. Journal non-negotiables weekly. Mistake 3. Mistake third. Poor communication. Assuming she reads minds. Bottled feelings, vague texts, explosions later. I ghosted emotionally, she pulled away. Fix. Open. Honest communication. Daily check-ins. How's your day feeling? Share vulnerably. Stressed work. Need your vibe. Text clear. Miss you, call soon? My turnaround, weekly talks, fixed riffs. Listen 70%. Speak soul truth. Builds unbreakable trust. Mistake 4. Mistake #4. Can't handle rejection. Cling after no's. Every not now crushed me. Begged, sulked, pushed her away faster. Fix. Rejection is redirection. Reframe. Her boundary, my growth. Respond. Cool, respect that. Self-soothe, gym, journal. I got spaced once, owned it, dated better. Soul resilience attracts, desperation repels, track rejections as wins. Mistake 5. Mistake 5th. Clingy dating skills, chasing without balance. Over-texted, needy approaches, smothered vibes, no real interest build. Fix. Balanced dating skills. Approach chill, situational openers, read energy. Text playful, paste, mirror hers. Ask out direct. Coffee Thursday? Keep interest, varied dates, her input. My fix, 50/50th effort, she chased back. Mutual attraction, no games. Mistake 6, mistake 6th, neglecting ongoing attraction. Routine kills spark, post-honeymoon, lazy body language. No style effort, boredom set in. Fix, sustain self-improvement daily. Refresh style, confident posture. Plan surprises, hike surprise? Communicate desires openly. I recommitted mid-slump, relationship leveled up. Hygiene, confidence keep flame mutual. Personal stories and big tie back. My mess, relationship second, all 6 mistakes. Sloppy self-neglect, no boundaries. Silent resentment, rejection meltdowns, clingy texts, spark death. She left. Rock bottom journal fixed 1 week. Self-glow up drew her back as friend, led to better partner. Now, thriving bond. Your one fix from transformation. Quick recap in CTA. Recap the 6+ fixes. Self-improve fully. Set boundaries respectfully. Communicate openly. Master rejection. Balance dating skills. Sustain attraction daily. Pick 1 mistake. Fix today. Comment yours below. Like for maturity. Sub for more. Share with a bro. Thanks. Master your emotions.